already freaking out. You want to turn it off? Fire it back up again. Now it's better, but the car is not happy lately. So as you guys know, we've kind of been having some random issues with this car, but just not running correctly. Calvin's gonna go test the car. We're supposed to go to SOS today with it to swap out the hoods for Street Hunter. But as you guys know, if you saw the vlog, the last time we drove it, the thing just freaked out on us and it bricked us and it didn't go over well. So hopefully he comes back here in a couple minutes, everything is good. Welcome back, boys, to another daily vlog where we're uploading every single day this year till the end of the year. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get updated every time we upload a new video.
I don't know why you're scared. I can make it.
Oh, you think it's gonna make it?
If it doesn't, you just get a 10 mil.
I'll bring a 10 mil, we'll do the reset. All right, we're gonna send it, boys. So Calvin's gonna be piloting the C8. I'm following behind in the truck because our good friend Oscar from SOS wanted to buy this pit bike off of me. And as I said earlier, we have the stock hood for the C8 at SOS, which I need to go ahead and switch onto our C8 so the hood on the C8 can go into production for Street Hunter and we can start manufacturing them. And don't worry, I brought the 10 wrench because in case this car goes into an electrical freakout mode and the car bricks itself on the side of the road, which, to be completely honest, I'm a little worried it might after how it's been acting the past couple days. We can reset the battery and hopefully get ourselves home. Also, this is my first time seeing this car just on the road driving, and it just looks so damn good. Shout out to all those boys playing Forza Horizon 5 that are running the Street Hunter kit. I see you guys on Instagram and I appreciate you guys. Well, we made it to SOS without any problems, so hopefully whatever was freaking the car out was just a random gremlin. But hey, check this out. Street Hunter C8, Street Hunter FD hood. Really insane to see like Street Hunter parts just like scattered throughout random cars. That's absolutely nuts.
Oh, sir. Got something for me already?
I do.
What?
All right, boys, we're in the C8. We're on the way home. Let's get some good vibes, some good energy here. She ain't gonna be freaking out on us today. She's gonna drive the way she's supposed to be driven, and she's gonna cruise us all the way home. I ain't worried. I ain't gonna talk any problems into existence anymore in today's video. One thing that I noticed is that because, I actually haven't shown you guys this, but for SEMA we had to cut the mag ride suspension wires that give the car the mag ride ability, and because we've done that, the car is in a service suspension mode, and I just found out on the way home that the moment you go above like 80 miles an hour, the car cuts you off and puts you in like a car can't go above 81 miles per hour limit because of the cut suspension wire. The car acted okay on the way home. It hasn't freaked out on me, which is good, but usually when something goes wrong on a car, I don't just like take it as a fluke. I'm like, there is something that is wrong and it's gonna keep happening intermittently and it's uncontrollable. So it kind of makes me not really want to drive this car until it gets fixed, which is kind of a bummer because it looks so good now and we finally have it back. But if it's gonna brick me somewhere or leave me stranded, I don't really have the desire to want to drive it. But it just sucks because this car looks so cool. Even without the hood, with the stock hood on it, it just looks so clean. I truly think this is the best looking car in the world. Biased, obviously, because I literally designed the whole car, but I just think it's a 10 out of 10. I literally think this car is a 10 out of 10. Every now and then, Sabrina and I will spend our evenings on the roof of our house.
I would do it every night, but TJ gets cold, so he can't be out.
And every now and then, I like to treat myself to a cigar and just relax. And I think just to add to this moment, I'm gonna have Sabrina pull up 3 audio tracks of 3 different cars, and we're gonna try to see, you guys know the game, we're gonna try to see
But if they don't know the game,
if I can guess what the cars are. And you guys too watching at home. If you knock that camera, it's falling off the edge of that.
do you know me and my cameras? Keep me away from it. He needs to hear.
Oh, I don't know if they can hear that.
Did I stump you?
It sounds, it's a 458.
Oh, it is a 458.
Thank
okay,
you.
Next one I'm gonna show them first.
1 for 1, I'm 1 for 1.
1 for 1, okay. Now let's see if you can be 2 for 2. Look away.
GTR. Let's go.
How do you know?
Let's go.
How do you
Sounds
know?
like a GTR. What do you mean?
It just sounds like flames coming out of an
No, it
exhaust.
sounds like a GTR.
Okay, hold on.
2 for 2, baby.
Don't look, you cheater.
Okay.
Is it a bad one?
So,
There's a lot of cars going around.
1, I could tell it's a race car. Race cars like sound different than what street cars would sound like. That's kind of the excuse, but like
fine.
it's hard because it's a race car.
Okay, it's fine.
Like, or it's a race car version of said car.
It's a race car version of
So
said car.
those don't typically sound the same,
Okay,
although
but
they have the same characteristics.
That's a win in my book. It was a race
No,
car.
it's not. It's
Yes,
fine,
it is.
Fine. It's just this. We're talking about street cars.
One more time.
It's a flat 6.
It's a flat 6. I think.
Is it a Porsche?
Yeah, it's a 911. Isn't that a flat 6?
Yes. But like, I can't differ like what that is from that video, but it's a Porsche.
Okay. I don't know if it's gonna drive. Oh, it's not gonna drive.
Over here?
That one doesn't count, guys.
Was it a Mustang or something?
No, it was a Mustang.
I cannot be stopped. Sabrina and I just made a spontaneous trip decision to go.
Spontaneous because we realized that it's only 6:30. Can you not hold the camera so close to me for the millionth time?
Do you see how she treats me, everyone?
No, he just holds the camera like straight up in my face like that.
I don't ever come here without getting Kung Fu tea. Nate, this is Nate's first time here. He tried a new drink and he says it's gas.
Changed my life forever.
Yeah,
What is it?
This is black tea with just some sugar, 100% level, regular level,
If you had to give it a rating, what would it be?
10 out of 10.
Wow.
11 out of 10.
Everyone, unofficial, official boba review. Nate gives a 11 out of 10. I'm telling you guys, Kung Fu tea is my favorite spot.
Hey, that was good too.
This one's gas.
That was really good.
But
Huge.
I'm a fraud because it's not actual.
For today's video, I think Sabrina's gonna close it out because she's been asking me every day to do it. So, you know, I don't think you guys have ever seen this room. Congratulations, new room unlocked for the vlog.
Unlocked.
They've never, congratulations, officially
Peace
unlocked.
out
Nope, wait.
and keep
No, you got,
moving.
no, you can't, you gotta give them you gotta leave them with something.
I'm gonna do laundry because I'm a housewife. So, gotta
Leave them with some words of inspiration. What's one thing today that you learned that you want to share? Leave them with some wisdom. Leave it with some words of wisdom. Tell them what they need to hear.
Why are you just gonna put me on the spot like this?
Like, don't over order water because if you do, you end up looking like this.
No matter how dark the day is, there's always a brighter one right around the corner.
That, like you tried?
That's a good one. Wow. You.
That was really good, Sabrina. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Sabrina just turned the lights off on me. It's pitch black. Have I ever shown you guys this art? I don't know if I ever have. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward. So are we just gonna ignore the fact that I missed a daily upload and didn't upload yesterday? No, but it ain't Vlogmas yet, so I'm allowed to have a few screw-ups. But the daily uploads are continuing. I just was really busy yesterday and I wasn't able to get it done and I didn't upload. I'm sorry. I apologize. Today's video was significantly short, but I'm doing my best. And the vlogs are continuing. But I just want to say, sorry. Tomorrow, we're back to normal schedule. Okay, bye.